100%. That's what I'm saying. By the time, every time I'm shooting, I'm going back and shooting. I want to take a break this time. First, you do it, make it a blockbuster, then I'll come immediately, definitely. Which one? My films? Yeah, all that. That's what I've started my speech with, complaining that by the time of we take a break for promotions, and by the time film releases, we start shooting for the next film. I want a break. I want to come here, celebrate with you guys, catch up with friends, chill, relax. I want to do that. I'm really looking forward to do that. Yes, why not? Definitely. I want to catch up with all of you. Now that you said it, I think it's a good lead to do that. Yeah.
Nani sir, actually, congratulations on winning Filmfare Award for
Thank you.
Dasara.
Thank you.
So, basically, opinion ಏನು?
What's a good? What's a good when you get the reward also. Like when the film is a big hit, when there are collections and all. See, that's the ultimate thing, end of the day. That means audience loved it. And audience loving a film is the biggest award. And definitely, a lot of times, awards kind of reinstate one joy in you. And after a year or something, so generally what happens is, if a film which we did now will win the award next year, 1 year later, right? So 1 year later, it's almost like a reunion of that film and that vibe. So it's a very good feeling. But the most important thing, end of the day, is who we work for. We work for audience. And if they love the film, I think it's the greatest award you can get.
Sir, last year actually National Award Best Actor Male went for like Allu Arjun, Pushpage. ಈ ಸಲ ರಿಷಬ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. So ಈ ಒಂದು
I think it was like an obvious thing. There was no surprise in it at all. It was not like, oh, Rishabh won, oh, congratulations. It was not like that. It was like, oh, obviously Rishabh will win. Yeah, there is not even like a discussion about that. So it's like, congratulations to the entire, I think, Kannada industry and to the audience, that because it's a great moment. It's a moment of pride. And it was obvious choice also. It's like, it's just not, now Kantara is also just not Kannada film. We all owned it. It is in Telugu states, it's a Telugu film. In Hindi, it is a Hindi film. Everybody owned the film. So everyone is, I think, equally proud of the achievement the team, got and Rishabh got. Yeah.
ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸಾಟರ್ಡೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೋಪ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾಕೆ? ವೈ ನಾಟ್ ಫ್ರೈಡೆ?
I'll tell you what. So I think I'm slowly tilting towards the Thursday releases. My Hainana released Thursday. My Dasra released Thursday. I know the Friday is like a quintessential thing, but I really hope the entire industry shifts to Thursday, because Friday is about the number game, the opening game. It's about competition to see that what you put big numbers and all. But I genuinely feel we should start, releasing films on Thursday. Why? Because that will see, good films will have a great advantage if you release on Thursday, because the word of mouth, the talk, is going to give you 1 day extra in the weekend. See, day one always will be good because it's the opening day. And if that happens on Thursday, that means Friday, Saturday, Sunday, your weekend is a long weekend every single time. I think it will help all the films when they are confident about the film. If I understand, if you're a little, you don't know, you're a little scared about it, maybe it's better to come Friday or something, because weekend, holidays, you can make the most of it. But if you're confident about your film, don't wait. Come Thursday, so that it'll be a 4 days bombastic, weekends, because the word of mouth will spread like wildfire, and then you get an extra day for the weekend. It'll work very well. So we thought Sarpada Senivaram also just shows that we are very confident. Yeah. Oh, hopefully. You have to confirm it by day after. Yeah.
ಸ್ವಾದಿಷ್ಟತೆಯ ಸ್ವಾದ, ತಾಜಾತನದ ಆಹ್ಲಾದ, ಉತ್ತಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ರೋಗ ನಿರೋಧಕ ಶಕ್ತಿಯ ವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಿದೆ ಉತ್ತಮ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಪೌಷ್ಟಿಕಾಂಶ. ಶ್ರೀ ವೈದಿಕ್ ಮಿಲೆಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್, ಇದು ಸಿರಿಧಾನ್ಯಗಳ ಸಂಪತ್ತು.